Some fish eat other fish. Some fish eat fruit. Some fish eat insects. All right, let's try something else. And these fish, their food comes from the air. That's right, dragonflies. In a crowded pond, they never miss an opportunity to get food. Even more terrifying is this one, the African tigerfish. They can catch swallows that come to drink. For swallows, even a brief stop at the water's surface is not safe. Next up is this big guy, a combination of speed, strength, and intelligence. Catching turns resting on the water's surface is far too easy for it. What's truly unbelievable is its ability to calculate the bird's flight speed and distance, then leap high out of the water to catch them in the sky. Maybe this one is still too young. With more practice, it'll get better.